Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Vengeance. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, so as we all know, the cases are rising here in Delhi, and I would ask all of you to please take good care of yourself. Venture out only if it is very important. Do not go out for basic ghumna firna because this is not the proper time to do that. And even if you have to go out, like if you have work or something, make sure that you wear a mask properly and also sanitize your hands and also maintain social distancing. Now the situation is very difficult and the situation is out of control, so please take good care of yourself, and you're not only responsible for your own health, you're also responsible for the people around you. So be a responsible person now and take good care of yourself. So today I have with me something which will take care of your hunger pangs which you get around at the midnight or during evenings. So these are basically spirulina chicky from the brand Indie Secrets. So these chicky have spirulina powder in them, and this is from the brand, as I told you, Indie Secrets. Now this is not available everywhere. You will only get this from Big Basket. Like if you order things from this Big Basket, you will find this over there, and you can order this and you can eat this. Yeah. Okay, so about spirulina is basically a blue green algae which has a lot of vitamins and proteins, and this is basically a health supplement, and this can be consumed by both humans and animals. It's safe for animals as well. Spirulina has a lot of nutrients. This has calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and this has vitamin B12 and a lot of good things. Spirulina has a lot of good things. This is actually a powerhouse of various vitamins and minerals, and this also has antioxidants which helps your body in every possible way, and also vitamin C. I think I forgot to mention that. Okay, so basically they have infused spirulina powder in the form of chicky to make it tasty, and to make it a little more appealing to people. Because I remember I used to have, like we used to have as a family, we used to have, when I was a kid, we used to have spirulina capsules at home. It was a simple capsule with some green powder inside it, and I didn't used to take that because I was a kid, maybe I didn't used to take that, but we had that capsules at home. So they kind of innovated that in the form of chicky to make it appealing. Okay, so enough tarif for spirulina. Now let's see what this product has. Okay, so this has no added preservatives, no added colors, and this is made with jaggery. And this buy 3 get 1 free, and the price of this is 75 rupees. So for 75 rupees, you are getting 4 chickies. Yeah, 4 chickies. Yeah. Okay, so this is made with traditional recipe. Enjoy the timeless taste of Indie Secrets chicky. This healthy treat is made with protein-rich spirulina, crunchy peanuts, melted jaggery, which is celebrated for its delicious taste and irresistible crunch, nutty, sweet, and wholesome. These make for the perfect work time snack, will satiate those sweet midnight cravings, and even serve as a midday school time treat. Yeah. स्कूल कहाँ का स्कूल टाइम, कौन सा स्कूल टाइम, लाइक स्कूल्स तो सब बंद है. Okay, so this has peanuts, jaggery, ghee, spirulina powder, and iodized salt. Okay, so yeah, so the nutritional information is mentioned over here, so this is quite good. So once open, you have to finish it off within 6 months. So once you open the carton, this is packed like this, individual packs, so this is very easy to carry. So let's see, and this will expire by September 21. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so upon opening, this is how the chicky looks like. Okay, this looks like a very basic chicky like we all have, right? And the fragrance is also like that chicky, that basic peanut jaggery chicky we all consume. वैसा ही fragrance है. Yeah, so let's see how this tastes. Hard है. It's nice. I shouldn't have applied lipstick today. It's nice. It's a little hard. Like the first bite is a little hard, but just like a basic chicky. Taste wise, this tastes like til wali gachak. This tastes like that. cannot taste spirulina because I've never tasted that, so I don't know how that tastes. And this is very sweet, just like a basic chicky. Just this is a little hard. But this is good. I like it. So I think you should buy this, and as I told you that this can be your midnight craving snack, or you can have this whenever you are having, you know, whether you're doing your work, whether you're doing work from home, you can just have this. Whether you're feeling low in energy, this will instantly perk you up with a lot of energy. Also, I will advise you to have things like this whenever you know you are hungry, whenever you are craving for some food. Have things like this rather than any kind of junk food, or you know, rather than being empty stomach. I would advise you to eat something like this. This will not only satiate your hunger but will also, you know, provide you the basic energy which you need to function properly. So I loved it. Taste is very good. Tastes like a basic chicky. So taste wise, this is very good. I liked it and I enjoyed it. Okay, so I'll put the link in the description box from Big Basket, just in case you want to buy this. This is not a sponsored video. This was purchased by me only. Go ahead and give this a try. You will like this. Yeah. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care. And again, I'm saying venture out only if it is very important. Otherwise, do not go out. So I'll see you guys next time. Love you all.